Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing any product residue so treatments penetrate. Once your lips are clean, mix 1/2 teaspoon granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon neutral oil for a gentle scrub. The sugar lifts dead cells, while oil prevents stripping. Rub in small circular motions for about 30 to 45 seconds, focusing on edges. Make sure to rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat dry. Then apply a thin layer of hydrating balm to lock in moisture and calm skin. Once exfoliated, you move to active brightening. Choose a lip-safe vitamin C or niacinamide serum and do a patch test inside your wrist first. You need to confirm tolerance. Apply a pea-sized amount and gently press it into the lip tissue. Pressing increases absorption without irritation. Make sure to avoid rubbing, which can inflame delicate skin. After the serum has absorbed for a minute, seal with a nourishing barrier balm to prevent transepidermal water loss. Repeat morning and night if no sensitivity appears. To finish, you must protect and maintain results. Use a lip balm with SPF every morning and reapply frequently because UV exposure reverses brightening. Make maintenance weekly. Gentle exfoliation plus a nightly overnight hydrating mask to sustain softness and tone. If you notice redness, stinging, or darkening instead of improvement, immediately stop active serums and switch to a plain, fragrance-free balm. Once calmed, reintroduce one product at a time. If problems persist, consult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.